Today we are going to be showing you how to troubleshoot fault code 97:3 water in fuel indicator sensor circuit on your JLG machine. If your machine encounters this fault, the engine control module has detected water in the fuel sensor. Other possible causes for this fault are a defective sensor connector or a defective harness between the sensor and the engine control module. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Inspect the connection at the bottom of the fuel-water separator for corrosion, broken pins, or torn wires. Repair any damaged parts of the connection. 2. Check the resistance of the water in the fuel sensor. It should be less than 3.87 megaohms. If it is too high, replace the sensor. 3. Unplug the connection at the fuel-water separator and check for 5 volts at pin 2. If you do not have 5 volts, a continuity check will need done between the connector of the sensor and the connector of the engine control module. Use the correct tier engine circuit in the Useful Documents section below to locate the correct pin numbers. 4. After the above steps are taken and no defects are found, it may be necessary to contact Cummins. Thanks for watching. You can find all the parts and equipment used in this video over on our website GCIron.com.